Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best mood bracelet is probably one of the most fascinating and fun accessories to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique way to express your emotions and add a touch of magic to your everyday style. These color-changing wonders are not just pretty to look at, they are designed to react to your body temperature, subtly shifting through a spectrum of colors that are said to correspond with your current mood, making them a conversation starter and a personal mood ring for the modern age. Number 5. Hicarer Adjustable Mood Bracelet. Discover the magic of our mood bracelets. These adjustable accessories change color to reflect your feelings, making them a fun and expressive addition to any outfit. Watch as the beads transform through a spectrum of dazzling colors. Each hue corresponds to a different emotional state, offering a unique way to connect with your inner self. Designed for both kids and adults, these bracelets offer a comfortable and stylish fit. They are perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of whimsy and self-expression to their day. Enjoy a perfect fit with our easily adjustable design. The lightweight beads ensure comfortable wear throughout the day, allowing you to showcase your mood with ease. Looking for a unique gift? These color-changing mood bracelets are a thoughtful present that offers both fun and a fascinating way to explore emotions. Adorn your wrist with these shimmering beads that catch the light beautifully. They add a subtle yet captivating sparkle to your look, making a statement about your current mood. What we like? This set offers a dazzling shimmer with beads that change color based on your emotions. If you're looking for a fun and expressive accessory that fits anyone, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy subtle yet captivating style. What people say. The mood bracelet is a fun and interesting accessory that changes color based on your body temperature, supposedly reflecting your mood. It's a great conversation starter and a unique gift idea, especially for those who enjoy novelty items. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on most wrists, making it suitable for both adults and children. Number 4. Just My Style Color-Changing Mood Jewelry Making Kit. Y2K fashion is back and better than ever. Create your own unique mood jewelry with these fun color-changing charms. Watch as your charms magically change color based on your body temperature. They can turn red, blue, green, or purple. Does the color match your current vibe? Craft stretchy bracelets, necklaces, or layer charm bracelets. This set is perfect for creating custom friendship gifts for your besties. To keep your creations looking their best, remember to remove them before washing your hands or showering. This all-inclusive kit comes with beads, elastic cords, jump rings, charms, and easy-to-follow instructions to get you started right away. What we like? Unleash your creativity with this DIY kit, perfect for crafting unique Y2K-inspired jewelry. If you love personalizing your accessories and enjoy hands-on crafting, this is ideal for you. It's a fantastic way to make custom gifts or express your personal style. What people say. The mood bracelet is a fun and unique accessory that changes color based on your body temperature. It's a great conversation starter and a unique way to express yourself. The bracelet is adjustable and fits most wrist sizes comfortably. Number 3. TOTWOO Long Distance Touch Bracelets. No matter the distance, feel their touch. These bracelets light up and vibrate to let you know they're thinking of you. Designed for couples, this unique jewelry offers a special way to communicate love. It's more than just an accessory, it's a connection. Simply tap your bracelet, and theirs will light up and gently vibrate. It's an intimate way to send a message of affection. Looking for a meaningful gift? These bracelets are ideal for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or just because. Show your loved one how much they mean to you. Connect easily through our dedicated app. Once paired, you can send and receive touch signals instantly, bridging any gap between you. Each bracelet features a healing stone, adding an element of wellness to your connection. It's a symbol of love and positive energy. What we like? Stay connected with your loved one no matter the distance with these smart bracelets. If you're in a long-distance relationship or want a unique way to send affection, these are perfect. They offer a special way to communicate love through touch and light. What people say. The bracelet is designed to change colors based on your body temperature, which is said to reflect your mood. It's a fun novelty item that can be a conversation starter. The color-changing effect is quite mesmerizing to watch. Number 2. Rose Quartz Bead Bracelet. Discover the beauty of this natural rose quartz bracelet. It's designed to bring a touch of elegance and good fortune to your everyday wear. This fashionable accessory is crafted from healthy crystal stones. It's a charming piece that adds vitality and style to any outfit. Embrace the positive energy it brings. This bracelet is believed to attract good luck and enhance your well-being. A perfect charm chain bracelet for women. Its delicate design makes it a wonderful addition to your jewelry collection. Featuring 10mm beads on an 18.5cm chain, it offers a comfortable and stylish fit. Experience the gentle power of rose quartz. What we like? Embrace the gentle energy of rose quartz with this beautiful bracelet, designed to promote health and good luck. If you're seeking a stylish accessory that also offers therapeutic benefits and positive vibes, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for those who appreciate the aesthetic and energetic qualities of crystals. What people say. The Mood Bracelet is a fun and interesting accessory that changes color based on your body temperature, supposedly reflecting your mood. It's a great conversation starter and a unique gift idea for someone who enjoys novelty items. The bracelet itself is adjustable and comfortable to wear, fitting most wrist sizes. Number 1. Gemstone Mood Bracelets for Kids, Women, Men. Unlock your inner strength and find calm with our unique mood bracelets. Each one is crafted with genuine healing crystals designed to support your well-being. Experience a natural boost in happiness with our carefully selected gemstones. These bracelets are designed to bring positivity and balance to your day. Our adjustable bracelets are designed to fit everyone comfortably, from kids to adults. Enjoy a perfect fit for wrists ranging from 7 to 10 inches. Each bracelet comes with a detailed information card. Discover the unique benefits and meanings of each crystal to enhance your journey. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These healing crystal bracelets make a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Show your loved ones you care. Rest assured, each bracelet comes with a certificate of authenticity. You're receiving genuine quality and craftsmanship with every purchase. What we like? Experience the calming and healing benefits of natural gemstones like labradorite and black tourmaline. If you are looking for natural stress relief and mood enhancement, this set is designed for you. It's perfect for anyone seeking grounding energy and a deeper connection to the earth's healing powers. What people say. The Mood Bracelet is a fun and interesting accessory that changes color based on your body temperature, supposedly reflecting your mood. It's a great conversation starter and a unique gift idea, especially for those who enjoy novelty items. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on most wrists, making it suitable for both adults and children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.